Hello. Today I'm doing a review. I had a company on Amazon that asked if I would do an honest review in exchange for a free product, and I said yes. So they sent me this 4-pack of diamond paintings. So we are going to open these up and we're going to look at them. And I will leave a link in my description box so that you can go straight to the company. And if you decide you would like to get these or any of their many products, diamond painting products, it'll take you right straight to it'll take you right straight to these, but you can click up at the top and you can go straight to their store and you can see what all they carry. So as you can see, these are folded in half, but not with a crease, so that's good. They send two things, the diamond painting toolkits, which include a green boat, a square of pink wax, and a single placer pink pen. So that's all you need to do the diamond painting. And then it also has your crystals that you're going to need for this. All right. So this is a 4-pack, and I believe it is, I don't know if it says on here, I believe it's Moon Fairies or Moon Elves. Might be Moon Fairies. But there are 4 of them. And these are 30 by 30s. And it has the schematic on the bottom left. It also has one on the top right. These are what we call partials, which means that there's part of this that you're not going to diamond paint. You're only going to diamond paint where the symbols and the numbers or the letters are and where it's sticky. So all of this area in the background we're not going to do, and it's not sticky, so you wouldn't be able to do it anyway. But this is the first one. Very cute. These would be really cute once you finish them. You could take and put these in a frame. You could even get you could get a canvas and then glue these onto the canvas to where you can hang them up. A mounted canvas is what you could do. So you've got the first one. Oh, I love this one. All right, so same thing. This is a 30 by 30. And then it's also got the schematic, legend, key, whatever you want to call it. There's one on the top right, bottom left. Extremely cute. Really cute. Here's the third one. And the fourth one. So with this being a 4-pack, this would just be absolutely adorable when finished and, possibly framed. And you could put this in a little girl's room. Yeah, I mean, they're just absolutely adorable. And each one of them are different. So that is so cute. So there's your images. And I will show you your special shapes and crystals. So if you've never diamond painted before, these are really great for anxiety, depression, just to pass the time. Because they keep your hands busy. You do not have to think in order to do this. You don't have to go to a class and try to learn a skill. is so easy. It is so easy. And all you do, each bag is either numbered or they'll have, let's see, they'll have a letter or they could possibly have a symbol. And all you're going to do is you're going to look for the corresponding number or letter on here that goes with the bag. And once you find the corresponding symbol, you'll just take one of your drills and you'll just put it on there. I'll show you here in just a second. So we have got pinks and blues. We've got like a champagne color. There's some like very, very pale blue, golds, different shades of oranges and browns. There's some green. We have silver. And then here are your special shapes. These are all crystals. Okay. And then these are your special shapes. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. So what you're going to do is if you wanted to start with number 1, let's see. You just take these, take that one off. And this is all you need to do these. You don't have to have any kind of special tool or nothing. This is all you need. Alright, so your wax has got a protective film on the front and the back. So before you go poking your pen in the wax, make sure you peel up that protective film. And then you're just going to take your single placer. You're just going to stick it right in there, kind of twist it around a little bit, and then boom, you've got wax in the end of your pen. And then this is called a boat. And you are going to just take your bag and you're just going to pour a few in here. I'm just going to pour a little bit. All right. So you're going to just take and you're going to shake this because this boat has got ridges in it. And it's going to flip these over and it's going to line them up so that you can pick them up. So I'm going to bring you down. Hopefully the light's okay. So these were in bag number 1. So you're going to look. We'll just use this one here if it has ones. Which I don't see any offhand. Let me see if this one has some. Okay, I'm not seeing any of those. I'm trying to look through and around. Okay, so there's some ones right there. So you're just going to peel this back. And then you're going to take your pen, and all you got to do is barely touch that, and it's going to pick it up. And then you're going to find all the ones, and you're just going to lay it down on the ones. And you're going to do that until all the ones are covered. And you're going to do it for this canvas, and then since there's 4, all of these drills go to all of these. So you're going to go through and you're going to do, you know, all of the ones. So if you're done with this, if you're going to do this, say, I'm just going to do this one today. So I'm done with these. That's what I have left. I'm going to take these. I'm going to pour these back into my bag. All right. And then you can just fold this over. And if you have some tape or something, you can just tape that to where they don't spill out. And then you can go to your next color. So These are really nice. They really are. And I will leave, again, like I said, I will leave a link to these in my description box so that you can check these out for yourself. And it'll take you right to this 4-pack. But like I said, up at the top, you'll see it'll say go to the store of the company. So you will click that and it'll take you right straight to the store, and it will show you absolutely everything that they carry. And they carry a lot of different canvases. They have these partials, they have full, they have off canvas, they have coasters, they have window art. I mean, they have all kinds of stuff. So I hope you like these. And again, go check out my description box for the link to the store. Thanks for watching.